Look at this honeybee sucking the sugary liquid called nectar in the flower. Notice how it gets covered with pollen in this process. This nectar forms its food. When this bee sits on another flower with its pollen-covered body, the pollen grains get transferred from one flower to another. And this is how they help in pollination. Honeybees are helpful in other ways too. Honey and beeswax, which are helpful in many ways, are obtained from them. Honeybees are called social insects because they live together in colonies with proper division of labor. Let's look closely how they live, work, and help produce honey for us. A group of honeybees is referred to as swarm. A swarm of bees that live together in a beehive form a colony. Bees build a large pouch-like structure called beehive for them to live in. A hive consists of thousands of small six-sided chambers called combs in which the honeybees store honey. Within each colony, there are 3 types of bees. They are a single queen bee, thousands of female worker bees, and hundreds of male drones. Let's find out from each bee what they do. I am the queen of this colony. I am its leader. I also lay a large number of eggs.
We are the worker bees. We build and protect the hive. We have a long, thin and tubular mouthpart called the proboscis. We suck nectar from the flowers through our long proboscis. We are the smallest of the 3 in size.
We are the drones, and we are male bees. Look, our head is much larger than that of either the queen or worker. We help fertilize the queen bee so that she can lay her eggs.
Let's now see how honeybees make honey for us. We rear honeybees, and this process of rearing honeybees and harvesting honey is called apiculture. The people who rear them are called beekeepers or apiarists. And the place where they raise the bee is called apiary. In the apiary, apiarists keep constructed hives for the bees and make sure the bees have access to plentiful sources of nectar. Let's understand the process of honey extraction. Worker bees fly from one flower to another to suck nectar. Nectar is stored inside a bag-like portion of the worker bee's body called honey stomach. Worker bees then spit this nectar into the honey combs. The nectar slowly gets converted into honey after a few days. The apiarist studies this cycle, and when the honey is ready, lights a fire and lets the smoke cover the hive. The smoke scares the bees and drives them away. The apiarist then extracts the honey from the combs of the hive. Remember to be careful around bees. They might sting you if you disturb them. If you are stung by a bee, remove the stinger immediately. Wash the area with soap and water. Rub the area with ice. Seek a doctor's help if there are multiple stings or if there is any difficulty in breathing.